Hi, this is Cici. I'm in Shanghai CAC now. As you can see, our booth is crowded with visitors. So let's have a random interview to check it out. Hi, gentlemen. How can I call you guys?
This is Sorush.
Hi, Sorush.
My name is Arash.
Hello, Arash. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
And firstly, warmly welcome you guys to come to this booth. Do me a favor if I could interview you a few questions.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Thank you
My
very much.
pleasure.
Let's have a seat. Hi, Mr. Suraj.
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Arash. So, which countries are you from?
I'm coming from Turkey.
Same as Surush.
Okay, so welcome to
from
China,
Thank
you.
Shanghai.
Thank
And welcome
you.
to our booth.
Yeah, thanks for having us. This is our pleasure.
So, do you have any special expectations for these exhibitions?
Well, to tell the truth, this is not the first time that we are participating to CAC. Like it is my third, fourth, maybe fifth time that I'm here. Like, what do we expect by coming to Shanghai and visiting this beautiful city plus having fun in the city? Like CAC is something very important for us as we are a supplier for Middle East countries. Always we are trying to find reliable suppliers
Yes.
that they can stand by us and they can support us in our market. So finding reliable supplier, also meeting with friendly people can be the top priority pursuit of us.
Okay, so I wish you have a very good time in Shanghai.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and have a very good outcome as well.
Thank you.
So, what do you know about our products?
Well, we heard a lot about your company. Your distinguished company is like a multi-dimension factory or supplier for us. We have been honored that we had information about your booth, we had information about your company, and we tried to get along with some of your specialists, with some trading managers. Now in this trip to Shanghai, also to China, we had this chance to visit your factory, also coming to your booth. Also, we are about to start a long-term cooperation. Plus, reliability and your power to have stable supply are the most important factors for the initiation of a business.
Yes, and also we cooperated with BASF.
Yes, that is also something extraordinary for us because we didn't expect that as well.
Oh, thank you very much, and thank you for the support. 从现场的采访可以看出，客户对我们的公司还是比较认可，对我们的产品还是比较感兴趣，特别是添加了欧洲巴斯夫的 DMPP， 与巴斯夫同行，让种植更轻松。农业新希望，中国穿金上，关注我，做幸福自豪的农业人。